Hello, second grade mathematicians. Today we are going to have a very short lesson where we are going to review the coins, their value, their size, what they are worth, what's on them for identification, and then we're going to do some quick practice with totaling coins or adding coins. So you will need your whiteboard, marker, and eraser. And I am going to start by reviewing the coins, identification, what's on the front and back, and the value with our song. But I'm going to do a really short version of it, just one verse for each coin. Ready? I got a penny in my pocket worth 1 cent. On the front of the penny is Abe Lincoln. On the back of the penny is him sitting. And I'm gonna take it on home. I got a nickel on my knee worth 5 cents. On the front of the nickel is Thomas Jefferson. On the back of the nickel is his house. And I'm gonna take it on home. I got a dime on my dome worth 10 cents. On the front of the dime is Roosevelt. On the back of the dime is the torch and plants, and I'm gonna take it on home. I got a quarter on my shoulder worth 25 cents. On the front of the quarter is George Washington. On the back of the quarter is the flying eagle, and I'm gonna take it on home. All right, now size. I just want to remind you, penny is bigger than the dime, but it is not worth more. The penny is worth 1, the dime is worth 10 cents. The nickel is a little bigger than the penny. Penny is worth 1 cent, penny in my pocket worth 1 cent. Nickel is worth 5 cents, nickel on my knee worth 5 cents. Dime, look, the dime is smaller than the penny and the nickel, but it's worth more. Dime on my dome worth 10 cents. And I don't have enough hands to hold everything up. Quarter! Quarter is bigger than all three of those and is worth more. Quarter on my shoulder worth 25 cents. Okay. Short quiz. I'm going to show you a coin, either front or back. Please shout out the name of it. But make sure you're on mute. Please don't be shouting over your friends and your teacher. Ready? Just tell me what coin it is. Dime. Quarter. Penny. Nickel. Dime. Quarter. Penny. All right, moving on. Let's talk about totaling money or adding money up, finding a total. Okay. For this part on my whiteboard, you can do it on your whiteboard also. For a penny, I'm just going to draw a circle with a P in it. Like that. For a nickel, circle with an N. For a dime, and I'm just trying to do the right sizes. For a dime, a circle with a D in it. Now when we total money, I've told you this before, please put how much it's worth underneath. Watch. Penny in my pocket worth 1 cent plus a nickel on my knee worth 5 cents plus a dime on my dome worth 10 cents. What is that, friends? It's a number line. You already have a 10, my friends. Leave it alone. It's the perfect number. So we will just string the 5 and the 1. What is 1 plus 5 or 5 plus 1? 6. Cross it off because I used it. Bring down my 10. Cross it off because I used it. 6 plus 10 or 10 plus 6 and this is money, I need to put my dollar sign, dollar space, decimal, 16. So, practicing number strings, you are practicing totaling money. Let's do a couple more. Please put the following coins on your whiteboard. Nickel, 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 nickel. 4 nickels. What do we do when we total money? First you need to label. Nickel-a-money worth 5 cents. Nickel-a-money worth 5 cents. Nickel-a-money worth 5 cents. Nickel-a-money worth 5 cents. All right, now we can number string. You have 2 options. You could either say, I'm just going to count by 5s. 5, 10, 15, 20. So if I add all of these up, I get the total of 20 cents. Sorry, my alarm just went off. Or I can string 5 and 5 is 10. 5 and 5 is 10. 10 plus 10 equals still 20 cents. Okay, one more. Totaling money practice. One more. Ready? Dime, dime, nickel, penny, nickel. Ooh, that's a lot. Ready? Let's label. Dime on my dome worth 10 cents. Dime on my dome worth 10 cents. Nickel on my knee worth 5 cents. Penny in my pocket worth 1 cent. A nickel on my knee worth 5 cents. Now I do my number string. I have 10s. Those are the perfect numbers. I am going to leave them alone. I have a 5, a 1, and a 5. Anything equal 10s, my friends? Yeah, 5 and 5. Cross it off because I've used it. Perfect number. Now, I'm going to bring down everything I have left because 10s we leave alone. And then the only thing I have left is a 1. So I have a 10, a 10, a 10, and a 1. Cross them off because I've used them. Now let's count by 10s 3 times. 10, 20, 30, and 30 plus 1 is 31. Dollar sign, dollar space, decimal, 31. All right, friends. You are going to do some work on totaling money and working with money today as well in your student workbook. Please listen to your teacher for directions with that. I'll see you soon, second grade. Bye.